The all-new 49-inch Mi TV 4a Pro, Xiaomi's latest TV in India. They're expanding their portfolio slowly, but at least, hey, they are bringing it to India now. Now, this is a 49-incher and it comes with some exciting new changes. In this video, let's take a close look. Hey guys, Ash here from C4eTech and let's get started. If you do like this video, please subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon. And in case you missed it, here's a card to a monthly giveaway. Now, from the outside, not a lot has changed. The Mi TV 4a Pro looks kinda similar to the 43-inch Mi TV 4a from the front. And the port selection towards the back, it's again similar. We have a similar layout here. 3 HDMI ports, one of which is ARC compatible, 2 USB ports, and the antenna. You also have the regular AV input for older set-top boxes and such, an optical port, and finally an Ethernet port for wired connectivity. And this is Xiaomi's IR cable that allows you to control your set-top box. Note that this one's sold separately. Now there's a new Bluetooth enabled remote. It has an extra voice search button with Google Colors on it. Yep, if that itself wasn't enough of a clue, the moment you turn on your TV, you're greeted with the Android TV interface. Patch wall isn't gone, it resides as an app on the Android TV interface, and if you choose, you can set it as the default launcher. So every time you boot up, you see the patch wall interface, or switch to it using the dedicated Me button. Now it is worth noting that Google does not allow launchers on Android TV or Wear OS. Xiaomi seems to have found a way to be the exception here. That shows how important Xiaomi's TVs are to Google. Anyway, that fun fact apart, now patch wall isn't something I use a lot because frankly, it doesn't have what I use, Netflix or Amazon Prime. It still doesn't. Xiaomi does say that support for both should be coming soon. They are working on it with Amazon and Netflix. Xiaomi has put in a lot of work into patch wall. Its biggest asset is showing what's playing on set-top boxes, kind of mixing that with online content. I haven't used set-top boxes in a while, but for those who do, this might be very useful. Now what's changed with patch wall is that in the past it was built on top of AOSP Android, but now it's on Android TV. And why does that matter to you? Okay, that's why it's called a Pro, by the way. It's Mi TV 4a Pro. But why does it matter to you? It matters to us because this means we get access to the Play Store and all the Android TV apps available on it. Well, almost all, since Prime Video and Netflix are not available yet. But for what it's worth, the Prime Video app can be side-loaded and it works great. Netflix can be side-loaded, the mobile app can be side-loaded, but that has some issues. Others like Hotstar and Sony Live have been working already, so not a problem with that. Now Xiaomi is using a new Amlogic chip here along with 2 gigs of RAM and 8 gigs of onboard storage. It was good enough to run some emulators, and thanks to the Bluetooth support, we had fun with retro gaming. Here's a card to our dedicated video on emulators and retro games, by the way. Check it out if you're interested. Now let's get to the most important part of a TV, the display. Now this is a 49-inch LED panel, the resolution is full HD, it's evenly lit, it's bright, the colors are punchy, and Xiaomi is also providing HDR support. The viewing angles are excellent too, just like the Mi TV 4As that we've seen in the past. The 20-watt stereo speakers also add to the pleasant experience. So how much is this new Mi TV 4a Pro gonna cost you? Well, we have no official confirmation as of yet, but we assume it would be somewhere around the 25 to 27,000 rupee mark. Why? Because the older 43-inch Mi TV 4a retails for 23,000 rupees. The overall bump up in software, internals, and screen size means this should cost a little more. Anyway, once I have official confirmation on the price, I'll let you know via Twitter and add it to the description or pin a comment. So do check that space below. So these are my thoughts on the new Mi TV 4a Pro. Now it's your turn, guys. What do you think about this new TV from Xiaomi? Are you excited? Do you, like me, want Xiaomi to reduce the number of Redmis they bring to India and instead crank up stuff like TVs? Let me know in the comments below. And I guess it is time I bid you adieu. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on what you felt about this video. Also subscribe and hit that bell icon to turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on any of our daily content. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4eTech and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.